In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update AMD Radeon graphics driver Windows 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Keeping your AMD graphics drivers up to date is extremely important. This will make sure that you achieve the highest levels of performance in any new release, and it can help with bug fixes or any sort of problems that you might be having. I'm gonna showcase the two main ways to keep your drivers up to date. Primarily, you will always be doing this through the AMD Radeon software. If you have this already, all that you have to do is go to your desktop, right-click anywhere, and you will find AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. If this option does not appear, don't worry, just follow the alternative method. After you install it once, it will always become available for you. To get it, if you don't have the option available, go to the official AMD website, and in here, go to Resources and Support. Now you will find Radeon graphics and AMD chipsets, just click on drivers. You can also simply search for drivers AMD on Google. Now, in this page, you can use the option to auto-detect and install the drivers. So if you don't want to spend time figuring out which GPU or CPU you have, just use this option here. If you know which GPU you have, go over here, choose Graphics, and then select the series. You can also check by right-clicking the Windows icon, going to Device Manager, and under Display Adapters, you will be able to find your current GPU. So for example, I have an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. Most gamers will have the RX series, so choose RX if you are a gamer or any other series that you have, then the particular model, and you will be able to get the necessary drivers for your model of GPU. Make sure that you get Windows 10 if you are using this OS. So in here, they will have to download available for the Adrenaline Edition software. I highly recommend that you download this. You might be able to get only the driver, but like I said, I recommend getting the software altogether. It helps with future updates. Once you click download, this will be the installer for the latest driver available. And after this process is done, you will now have access to the AMD software. In the future, whenever you want to update your drivers, just open the AMD software by right-clicking on the desktop, choosing the option from here, and then choose the option to manage updates. If you are up to date, it is going to say here in the status. So as you can see, I have the latest version. So sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full, but whenever there is a new version, it's as simple as clicking the download button and just following the instructions. The software will automatically acquire the necessary files and you will perform the update. I hope I was able to help you on how to update AMD Radeon graphics driver Windows 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.